Imagine creating breathtaking artwork without picking up a paintbrush, just with a few clicks. Sounds magical, right? Well, with AI art tools, this dream is now a reality. In this video, I'll show you how anyone, yes, even if you have zero design skills, can create stunning AI-generated images. We'll cover step-by-step guides for popular tools like DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and Canva AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your first AI masterpiece. Chapter 1. What is AI art? Artificial intelligence's art uses advanced algorithms to generate creative visuals. These tools are trained on millions of images to understand patterns, textures, and artistic styles. When you type a prompt, the AI interprets it and creates unique artwork. Artificial intelligence does not just copy, it innovates by combining concepts in new ways. This opens the door for anyone, regardless of skill, to express their creativity. Chapter 2. Artificial Intelligence Art Tools Overview. Number 1. DALL-E 3. Powered by OpenAI, this tool excels at turning text prompts into detailed images. Number 2. Stable Diffusion. An open-source alternative for customizable and creative results. Number 3. Canva AI. Great for quick, professional designs integrated with Canva's user-friendly interface. A question is raised that why these tools? Because they're accessible, beginner-friendly, and offer free versions to get started. Chapter 3. Step-by-step tutorial of DALL-E. Number 1. Accessing the tool. First, go to OpenAI's website and sign up for free. Number 2. Crafting a prompt. The secret sauce to great AI art lies in your prompts. For example, instead of typing, dog, try, a golden retriever sitting under a cherry blossom tree in a digital art style. Number 3. Generating the image. First, type your prompt. Then, experiment with styles, colors, and perspectives. And last, save your favorite results. Here are some tips for you. Number 1. Be specific but creative. Number 2. Use keywords like realistic, surreal, or inspired by Van Gogh. Chapter 4. Exploring Stable Diffusion. Number 1. Getting started. Download or use an online interface like Dream Studio. Number 2. Adjusting parameters. Learn how to tweak settings like image resolution, style strength, and iteration levels. For example, increase style strength to make the output more abstract. Number 3. Saving and sharing. Export your image in high resolution for printing or digital use. Chapter 5. Canva AI. AI art for everyday use. Number 1. Simplicity meets power. Log into Canva, open a blank project, and navigate to the AI Tools section. Number 2. Create designs. Generate illustrations, backgrounds, or even custom patterns for presentations, posters, or social media. Number 3. Business applications. Use AI art for branding, ads, or content creation to save time and costs. Chapter 6. Ethical considerations. The importance of respecting copyrights and avoiding misuse of AI-generated content. Tips on creating original prompts to ensure your work stands out. Artificial intelligence art is transforming how we create. Whether for fun or professional use, now is the perfect time to dive in. Try these tools, and let your creativity run wild. What will your first AI artwork be? Drop your ideas in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI guides.